Hey guys, Misha here. Everything I say is not financial advice, but my personal opinion. I'm getting in on on Toyota Motor um, on an hour. It still struggles with this volume, but I think it can just simply jump over. It's like accumulating right now. Didn't bounce technically in unvolumed upthrust, so it can go lower, but I think it can just gap over. Regardless, it doesn't matter because um, because I'm taking an investment trade. I made an assumption here, cutting off the levels, because technically the levels are here, but after this volume, I decided to cut the levels. So it's a long impulse. It's a T2 level. It's 1.5 correction support level. It's a biggest biggest volume spring yeah, it's a weak test. It's let's be honest and put an exclamation mark, question mark here. Is it a weak test? There is some volume here, but still this is bigger. um, Sorry, I'll be filling out my logbook. Investment. Toyota Motors. It's a trend rate. Can be wrong. Can be wrong. On daily, it's a conservative trade, and it's a long impulse. It's a well, technically it's a balance. 1 2 1 2, so it's a long balance. Wait, I need a test. It's a ice level, it's a support level, biggest volume bar spring plus. Yeah, I need a test. It will just gap over. It will just gap over. I can try and wait for a test. But it will just gap over. I'm not gonna wait for a test, you guys. Yeah, this volume is bigger, but that's like due to this gap. It'll just gap over, and I'm not gonna wait for a test. Not waiting for a test. Conservative. Not gonna wait for a test. You can't say it's weakness either, though. Not this guy. No. I'm not gonna wait for a test. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. It's just gonna go lower. My months may be off. I think it's good. Yeah, I think it's unreasonable to wait for a test. It can just gap over. I also think that there's way more potential than just to R. Thinking can split quarter, quarter, 75%. Even more like 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I don't see why not. Test, but after this volume, it can just gap. Yeah, no, I'll skip the test. Let me see what I can do. Someone is cooking. It smells so good. Oh, I know what I'll do. So I'll take some from my IRS account. Yeah. Yeah, the one for the 0.5 and the monthly level, I think I'll take from my IRS account. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. There's nothing to do about it. But volume kind of tells me otherwise. If this doesn't exist, but there was a gap, significant gap, so. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's all good. Yeah. Uh-huh. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Sorry, I'm making weird noise. Okay. Okay, I'm filled at 171,341 for investment rate at 1221. And that's the one for, it's gonna be like multiple trades. So 1, 2 of 1 month. So 0.5 on 1 month for my IRA and T1 monthly T1 1 month. And stop loss is gonna stay the same. So stop loss is gonna be the same. Yeah. And take profit is gonna be bananas. 201.78, 201.51, 201.78, 201.78, 201.78. Oh, and this is 255.57, 255.57, 255, not 255. Minus. Okay, that's that. You can actually crunch. Let's set up our stop losses and wait, what? Okay. Okay. Conditional order. One of them going to be a limit and the other is going to be a stop limit. So stop limit is going to be 168.93 to activate and 171.34 to execute. And is limit is still 1 to execute. Okay, perfecto. Okay, limit price, stop price. Okay. It's done. Okay. And the other one, stop limit is the same. It's 168.93 to activate and 171.34 to execute. And limit goes to 255.57. Oops. Yeah. 255.57. Okay. Okay. We've got these orders in. Good. That's for in IRS. Let's now deal with this guy. Okay. That's gonna be, so it's actually 5 trades. Four, 5. Yeah. Okay, I'm in on Toyota Motor on the main account. Uh, 171 37. So 1/3, 1 to 2 risk to reward. 1/3, 1/5 of daily, and Crick, on Crick. Okay. Stop loss is going to remain the same. Our entry is tighter now. So that's our 2. And 0.5 is 179.70. 179.70 less 171.37, and the day level is, let's put it here, 190.58. 190.58. 190.58 plus. Okay. Now I need to put my stop losses and take profits for the my main account. We'll see how it goes tomorrow. We'll see how it goes tomorrow. For this instance, I'll need to go to my Okay. Are you guys excited? Because I am. I did need a test there, but Toyota motor. Let's now fill it out very cautiously. Okay. Once again, our our stop is here. God damn it. 168.93. 168.93. And our limit is 171. We need to add 57, like a little bit for the one cancels another, and good till canceled, and limit is 176.24. 176.24. 176.24. Okay. Yes. Okay. Oh, 140, by the way, not 120. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, someone's cooking is so good. It smells so good. Okay, that's one order. And that's let's move to the 0.5 daily. 168.93. 168.93. 171.57. Good till canceled. Okay, one cancel another. So limit Toyota Motors. And the limit is 179 and 7. 179 and 7. 179 and 7. 168.93. Good till cancelled. Okay. And the last one, up to the daily level. Stop limit is 178.93. 178.93. Limit is 171.57. Good till cancelled. Advanced. One cancels another. Good till up. Good till cancelled. And 190.59. 190, 59, 190, 59. Okay, let me check and double, triple check everything. Interesting. It grouped. No. Modify. Okay. Okay, now everything is in place. Good till cancelled. Everything is good till cancelled. This is good till cancelled. I'm all set. Let's share it with the world. Let's share it with the world. Didn't wait for a test, but I think it'll just gap over. We are in the trade. Sorry. Yes. Toyota Motor 1-day investment, long conservative trade, monthly trend is no, monthly trend is this. Okay, calculated affordable stop limit at 168.93. Take profits 1/5 at 1 to risk to reward 1/5. Let's make it easier. 20% at and one day, 20% at 1 day Greek, 20% at 1 month, and 20% at 1 month T1. Easy peasy, choosy easy. Technical analysis, trend analysis, wave analysis. Tags TM. Toyota. Oops, Toyota short. Not reassuring. Waves VSA. Volume. Spread analysis. Wyckoff. Support and resistance zones. Long setup, take profit. Did I have TM? No, I did not. Yeah. Interesting. TM. Oops. Was there more TM? Okay, that's enough. Yeah, guys, that's what I've got for today. Oh, share it on X, of course. Thank you. Keeping in mind that somehow when you share it on X, it cuts off the first part of the link. So I need to add a website address every time. Yeah. I've got 124 followers on X, you guys. People are following, even though I don't do nothing there. Okay, that's that. Let's see the rest of the market. Not waiting for a test. But yeah. I think it will get just what it does normally. Intel, Fosagra is correcting. That wouldn't be bad. Well, it's too far from 0.5, but let's keep it open. And I'm setting up for my Vipassana retreat, so I think I'll be unavailable starting Monday till November 6th. So, TK and MLCom. Boom! Look, Air Product did it. Air Product did it. I took it out a little bit too early, but it's totally fine. Hey. It's totally fine. Good job. Now it's actually in a balance, so it's not bad. High 3 to 7, 89, 3 to 7, and 3 to 8, 56, 3 to 8. It's an expanding creek now. It's good for short. Counter trend short. I don't need 0.5, but just doesn't hurt. Yeah, it's good for short now. It's good for short. It's good for short. Yeah, it's good for short. Thank you, your product. It was nice making business with you. It's 2, and that was like 6 hours. TDO. Good job, Mishka. Roku. And volume top thrust. Yeah. AFK system just idling. Positive. Not so positive. Sber is in test right now. Yeah. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah. Toyota Motor is my new trade. This guy. Yeah. Didn't give me a chance. Went short. It went short. Oops. Yeah, now it's closer to 0.5. It's getting hairy. Let's keep it open. This guy on the contrary did not go at all. So it's a daily level now. It's a daily watch. DHI. Yeah, I was fooling around. It's not, you know, doesn't matter now. It's like, was it test? That's why we need to test an aggressive trade. Yeah, it's not bad. Самолет. Yeah. It pretended to go down, but it didn't. Yeah, that might have been a mistake. An accident. Still need this 0.5. Still need this 0.5. Home Depot. Didn't go. There was a beautiful stop here. If anyone wanted it. And again. And that's why you shouldn't. Like you see, we needed a test, aggressive, and on test it closes above the level, so let it go. Market doesn't respect it. We can keep an eye. Unvolumed. This guy's unvolumed. Here though. Look at this volume. This is a beautiful volume. We had it before though, aka previous level, and it did go up. So maybe something sweet and short. But for now, unvolumed spring. Suspicious. United Health is doing it. This is crazy. But it's like technically it doesn't need an doesn't need a test. It's just like way too wide. Like way too wide. It's trend though. And this is like too ambitious. Like way too ambitious. It's going beyond the yeah, no, it's crazy. Maybe test in 0.5, you know what I mean? It did change direction and broke above. And broke above the volume level. And this has been a test. Too high up there though. You would expect, I would expect for it to correct to 0.5. This is like, I'm not gonna work from this, just not to forget where I am. But yeah. Maybe, you know, yeah, we need a correction now. If it corrects here, it does shows anything like feasible here. That's workable, but yeah, this is suicidal. Qualcomm, oh, went lower. Yeah, let's focus on dailies so that I don't miss nothing. This is a break. 41.12. 41.01. Yeah. This goes down now. AC goes down. MPC is my stop loss of today. I didn't brag to you guys, but I got this beautiful stop loss here today. 10-minute deal. It's quick. Didn't hurt that much. That was actually a spring test resumption. Still good to take it, but the rule says one stop loss in one area. You know what I mean? So I'll let it go. And I'd need a test here on an hourly. Yeah, on hourly it's good to take it, but I won't. ACM is doing something like this here for now. ADP is in 0.5, you guys. Right in the 0.5. Interesting. Yeah, we need this level though. It's interesting. MOX is testing. Game Beautiful upthrust. Qs are going lower in 0.5. Did break it down. We'll deal with hourlies later. Let's utilize the time we have. Liquid goes up. The horizon breaks the sign of strength level. This guy. Low hit margin. Dudouche. Schlumberger. Dominion energy. Wow. Thank you for not waiting for me. Magnet, Aeroflot. Just looking super quick so that I don't miss out a deal of my life. Yeah, those are not the levels anymore. I'll correct the levels and all of that later. Let me just see real quick that I don't bite my elbows later. That's how we call it in Russian. You'll be biting your elbows when you miss like the deal of your life. It's like you'll be biting your elbows later. Yeah. And on daily, it's like too high up there and there's no context. Let's see. Yeah, that's it. Dudouche. This holding guy just dies. He just dies. Absolutely train wrecks. That's why we don't catch falling knives like here. Like, oh, look at this volume. Let's buy, and then it goes lower. It's in a free fall. It's in a break. Yeah, it's good in continuation of the trend for tomorrow. Costco. Unvolumed. It's a balance now, and this is unvolumed manipulation bar. We need the reaction bar. Okay, market is closing. I'll correct all the levels later. Yeah. A lot of things are correcting. We are nearing the election. You know what I mean? I hope Toyota doesn't care. VMI. Dudouche. Didn't hold the test. Still kind of cool. For short. Ooh, look at the Citigroup. It goes up and then it doesn't go up. And then it doesn't go up. Okay, market is closed. Yeah, it's interesting. Okay, we'll check it out later. So yes, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Looks good. Okay, guys, take care. I